A very good day to all traders. My name is Rain, founder of Forex here at Academy Prime Limited. So if you have watched last week weekly market analysis, you should have seen that I've shared that euro dollar, pound dollar is on a bullish movement, and the dollar yen is going on a bearish movement. So how is that for the market movement? And I did share during my previous workshop, my seminar, that dollar yen is going to hit 108.18 range before it retests to a lower level. So if you like information like this, just subscribe to us for a month. If you like the entire Trade Ideas package, which include not just the analysis but also the prices, the entry price, the stop loss, the take profit level we're looking at, subscribe to all three for just $200. Single program is at $100 to $150, depends which program you choose. So today for the weekly market analysis, we are going to look into these three currency pairs on the four currency itself. Alright, and let us dive right in, shall we? So this is on euro dollar itself. You can see the market is moving higher and higher, and yes, it is on a bullish movement. So we are looking for opportunity to long the currency pair, and this is exactly the price range I'm looking to long the currency itself, between 1.2187 to 1.2269. If I go down to forward chart, you can see that yes, the blocks that we draw is a bit off, so usually I'll do a bit of adjustment on the middle time frame. Lower time frame give me a higher perspective. So at 1.23, this region I'm looking for buying opportunity. Alright, and of course for some of my subscribers, for all my subscribers itself, for Trade Ideas Educator, you know that I'm looking for a counter trend trading opportunity. I'm looking to short at 1.25. If you have watched the video, you will have find that the market have not hit 1.25 before I'm recording this, and I did some analysis and see that this is a possible resistance. However, I'm looking for a retest before I engage the trade. Alright, so that is for euro dollar. I'm looking to long on a long-term perspective, 1.2300 at 1.25 range. I'm looking for a shorting opportunity. And of course, if the market came down to 1.23 first, I will long all the way up, and I will not short at 1.25. And 1.25 will be my target, one of my target. Alright, so let us move straight to pound dollar on the daily chart itself. You can see that when market went up, I also did a counter trend trade itself. What is counter trend? Meaning to say that it is obvious that trend is moving upwards. I'm looking for opportunity to short the market. If we move down to a lower time frame, you can see that the stop loss and the entry price is same price, and that allow me to attain a risk-free trade. Meaning to say that if even the trade went south, there's no risk involved in this, and my final take profit is at this price over here, which is at 1.4085. Okay, so moving down to a lower time frame, of course, this is the first level of possible and potential retest at this price. If market came down to touch this price, it may rebound upwards. Alright, and that's why I take profit at this price. Of course, the range I'm looking to buy, a buying opportunity, a better level, will be at 1.3993. Alright, so from 1.4 to 1.3993 is a zone I'm looking for buying opportunity. For more details, I have to look at how market opened on the Monday itself, and I will share more trade ideas with my subscriber for this pound dollar. Alright, I have to see how the candle move before I look for a buying opportunity. So if you know how to plot support resistance on a long-term move, you can look for a buying opportunity over here at pound dollar as well. However, I do prefer euro dollar, because if you have watched last week the news of politics itself, you will find that Mario Draghi did say that they are pretty happy with the exchange rate right now, which is at 1.25 range. They are okay with that. And US dollar having its debt ceiling issues coming up. and there is a partial government shutdown right now, and the final decision has been further pushed to 16th of February. Alright, so having euro having a bullish movement and dollar on a bearish outlook, I am more inclined to long euro dollar. The last currency pair we look at is dollar yen. Last week I believe I shared when the market closed below the previous low over here, I said that market may go lower and hit the 10818 zone, which it did. So what I'm looking now for the dollar yen, a perfect scenario will be come back and retest 110.42 all the way up and look for shorting opportunity. And of course, this is also another possibility. 109.37 market retraces, came back up, I can look for a shorting opportunity. And of course, the other level I'm looking to sell dollar yen is at 111.06. There's a high chance that after I engage into this trade, I may hold this trade until beyond 16th of February because I'm looking for prices to go into. I see a likelihood that the Democrats and the Republicans cannot come to a agreement on how they are going to increase or manage the US current debt issue. If you remember, I think it could be kind of a payback the previous time, 2013, when Barack Obama, the Democrats president, is trying to ask the Republicans to help them to pass through and support a vote through the policy and stuff like that. Republicans quite give them a hard time. It is possible that the same thing will come about for this time round. I don't want to delve too much into these politics, but as we can see that they have been pushing it further and further each time for the decision for debt ceiling for various reasons. There is a likelihood they might not able to come to a agreement on the 16th of February. I might be wrong, but these are the prices I'm looking to short dollar yen, and once it has achieved a certain level of profit, I'll be shifting my stop loss to entry price, having a risk-free trade, and I'll see if it dive all the way to 103. Alright, that's all I have for you today for weekly market analysis. All the best for your this week trading itself. Gentle reminder, Friday is the US non-farm payroll. You should really consider if you want to enter a new position on a Thursday. If you are deciding to swing the trade, then perhaps you have to see how the market moves and closes this Friday before you make a decision for the coming week. That's all I have for you right now. Till then, remember always, plan your trade and trade your plan. Goodbye.